So here we go with the first course. Just adding a little bit of that salted butter to the pan. Let that melt away a little. And we'll have a drop of olive oil in there as well. Now I know, John, you wouldn't like this first course, but sadly it's one of my favourites. But I'm sure lots of people watching will enjoy it. Freshly caught this morning. Ooh, let's get that sizzling. And it won't take long to cook this one. Got the salt and pepper. Have we got the pepper? Where's Percy gone? There he is. Got Percy. And it's just warming up nicely. These Genesis base camps are great. I'll do a separate little video about them. So can you guess what it is yet? Look at this. Absolutely perfect scallops. Just about to go in and get a quick fry off. Whoa! This is the Epicurean Adventure. We're on the road trip, but hey, let's have some nice food. Life's too short. Oh, sizzling away nicely. I should have done what Floyd would do, of course, which is very quickly make your mind up, decide which one you're going to have and open it. Oh, listen to those sizzle. So, in a moment of madness, we've gone for the Amarone. And we'll have that one opened. And away we go. Sizzle, smell the sugar. A little drop of that just to wet the whistle. Cheers. Oh, very nice. Right. Let's get these babies turned over. Oh, aren't they just beautiful? What lovely scallops. Cooking away nicely. Let's have a little bit of pepper on that. A bit finer. There we go. And a little touch of salt. There we go. Let them sizzle. Cheers. I won't take that one out because that's quite funny. Went down the wrong way. One would think was doing comedy. Hope it didn't go on the camera. Oh, the accidental chef. Oh, they're cooking away nicely. We shall just try not to chop my hand off. Add a little lemon to this, just to give it that bit of sparkle. Beautiful. Turn it up a bit. I hope it doesn't make anybody else choke on the wine while they're watching it. Turn her up a little bit more. Just let those crisp away for a minute. And while we're doing that, we'll get this bad boy out. This is the next course. I think I'm going to be putting weight on this trip. This is a prime piece of Swiss Angus ribeye. And we're just going to let that warm up for a mo, which won't take long because it's rather warm. Oh, look at those. Just about cooked to perfection. That butter's just starting to go. Nice. Let's see if I can just give them a bit of a swizzle round in it. Oh, we've got the kids in the background. They can probably smell the scallops. And I would say that is us just about done. So I'm going to leave you for a minute while I tuck into these. It'd be rude to watch me eating, especially after I've sprayed everything with red wine.